The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.